Hey everyone, this is Bradley Bush. Here is a syllabus video for you where I'm thrilled to be your instructor this semester. This is a syllabus for Math 121. It's intermediate algebra, and we are in a 5-week summer session for South Mountain Community College. My email is here, bradley.bush@southmountainCC.edu. My office is PS407, but I'm not in my office this summer, so all communication will be done through WebEx Teams. Please IM me there, instant message me. Anytime you want, you can send a personal message, or you can put a message on our team thread, so meaning everybody in the class can see, and we'll discuss that on the first day stream session that'll be recorded. So that'll help. My office hours, Tuesday, Thursday, from 11 to 12 in the morning, or I should say that's afternoonish, late morning, afternoon. It will be done virtually using WebEx Teams, and you can also catch me other times. If you IM me and say, hey, I want to set up an appointment, I'm happy to set up an appointment and meet with you. Our course will be in Canvas, but the math portion is through MyMathLab. I've integrated MyMathLab into Canvas, so it's a single sign-on. Once you sign into Canvas, there'll be a link to go directly to your MyMathLab, and you will have to sign in and pay for a subscription for the class. Since this is a 5-week class, you may just be able to get a 6-week subscription. I'm not sure what the options are, but you'll need to pay for that. You'll get a free 2-week trial, but after that, you'll have to pay for it. If you have any questions about that, let me know. Something that's really important, you'll need a graphing calculator, and this is super important here. Students must have access to a functioning and reliable computer connected to the internet with a webcam and a microphone. If you don't have that, you need to talk to me immediately, because this might not be a good course for you. There's a lot of stuff here I'll let you read through. One thing I should note about withdrawals: if students are inactive in the course for more than 4 days, then I am supposed to withdraw them. I'll text you, I'll reach out to you, but just so you know, you should be active daily in the course, or you should not let more than a day or two go in between when you're in the course doing homework assignments and communicating with me. Graphing calculator required. This information for renting a calculator changed recently, so I'll post something in, I'll update this and then post something about it in Canvas, because the date here has been changed. We have to see when that actually is. So it looks like June 2nd will be the date instead of May 26th. So it might be a week out. Anyway, I'll post some information on that as it develops. They still haven't set the date yet, the exact date on when you can rent a calculator, but I'll give you some more information on that. Cheating. It's really important. If you cheat, you agree to get an F in the class, so please don't cheat in any way. Let's see what else we have here. Here's my grading policy. ABC, anything below a C is not passing. And the final exam is 15%. Homework is worth 35%. Quizzes are 30%, and then there's one midterm, and that's 20% of the grade. The final exam will be taken in Canvas, proctored through Respondus, which is a free third-party software that you will have to download onto your machines. I'll give you a link and walk you through it, but you'll download onto your machines and use it as a proctoring service. It'll record you, and then I watch it afterwards. The homework is done on MyMathLab, which you access through Canvas. All of those, there's no proctoring or anything on that. It is, you have unlimited attempts to do the homework until the due date, and homework is due once a week, Sunday midnight. Anything that we covered that week will be due Sunday at midnight of that week. If you have issues or you need, or you need me to open something, please let me know. I'm happy to do that. There'll be some quizzes. These quizzes are 10% each of your grade. You get to take them 3 times before their due date. So the first time I would take it, I would prepare and then take it once, noting carefully what you saw in the quiz, and then go back and study what you saw in the quiz. Come back, take it again. If you see anything new, which it's not super likely, you will see things new. Most often you will see changes in numbers, but things stay fairly similar. And then you go back and study, and you can take it a 3rd time before the due date. Please give yourself enough time to take the quiz, because you want to make sure you give yourself a day or 2 before the due date so that you can take it again if you need to. The midterm is a proctored exam as well. That's also done in Canvas through Respondus. So you have only 2 proctored exams in the semester. Everything else is not proctored. So the midterm's 20%. You'll have 2 hours, and again, that's done through Canvas. All right. You have a syllabus assignment in Canvas that is due during this first week, and that is you're supposed to print, sign, and upload the instructor copy of the student academic contract, which you'll see down below, into Canvas. Here's a schedule of what we do every week. Week 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Everything is here. All of the homework is in the first part during coursework. All of the assessments are in the second part. So first week we have a quiz 1, which covers all of this work in MyMathLab. You have a grade check, which is due in Canvas, which should be done the last thing of the week. And you also have the syllabus assignment in Canvas as well. I would do that early so that I can grade it, and you can have a grade by the time you do your grade check. Week 2, here we have the homework here, and then the assessments, and so on. So if you ever have a question of what's going on, you can check this schedule. And if there is any time we vary from this, I will post it in Canvas and make you aware. And then here's the academic contract. Here's the student copy that you can keep for yourself. And then here is the instructor copy that you sign, put Math 121 5-week online, and then you initial each of these spots, sign it and date it, and then you save it as a PDF and you upload it. If you aren't sure how to create a PDF, you can print this out and then complete it, and then take a picture of it and save that picture as a PDF. There are a lot of picture to PDF free apps that you can get for the Android or for your iOS, for your Apple product, your iPhone, whichever you have. So you can just use one of those free picture to PDF apps and take a picture with your phone, convert it to a PDF, email it to yourself, and then upload it into Canvas. And that's it. If you have questions, please let me know. I'm excited to be your instructor and look forward to a great semester.